Okay, so now one of the biggest feature about this breast pump is that, see this right here? Anybody can use this. Okay, so this looks like a 24 breast shield, but because of the technology and how it works, any nipple size can use this. And I am not a 24, I'm smaller than a 24. So that's another difference between this and your standard Spectra or any other type pump. Okay, you have just got this, and you don't need inserts. You don't need to buy any other smaller sized breast shield or smaller sized phalange. This is going to serve anybody and everybody that uses it because of the way the technology works. Okay, then the final thing I want to say about this pump is that, did you notice? There is no duckbill. There is no valve. There is no valve. You don't need a valve to use this pump. There is no duckbill valve. There is no membrane valve. There is nothing there. And as I mentioned before, you don't have that extra backflow protector, which is another part to clean. You don't have any of that. So actually, when you want to clean this, you just clean the bottle. And based on the official Limerick's Joy cleaning recommendations, you actually don't need to separate this. It can be separated. As you can see there, there's a slit, but you don't need to do that. So you can just clean it, especially if you're using their cleaning brush right there. You just clean this and in there, and this can just be left as one piece. Okay, so if this is left as one piece, then all you've got, which is insane, is this, your bottle cover. And if you want to clean this gasket inside, then that one as well. So that is like what? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 4 parts. I mean, this, well, if you want to count this as an additional part, then 5. But are you kidding me? This is all you've got. 4 parts. And then if you're doing the same for the other one, 8 parts altogether. This is so good. Usually, for normal breast pumps, you're looking at 12 parts and upwards. But this is just 4 parts. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So this is also very easy to clean because there's not so many parts to deal with. And trust me, as any new time mama will tell you, that is one of the best things ever about a breast pump. The fewer the parts, the less work you've got to do because you've got a baby to look after. You know what I mean? So yes, that is the Limerick. So unique in so many ways.